Samsung was getting the name Sam and Sung from, that is divided into three, that is two, that is three plus stars, that is Sam means three, Sung means stars. It is known in Korean. Next we know the Toyota emblem, which has got its name, or the emblem kind is which represents the needle of in the spun industry, that is the needle and the thread which is being shown together. You'll be seeing that image now. That is this kind. This is the symbol which we got as the emblem Toyota, and also we have got the Toyota name. That name, the whole words, I mean letters in the Toyota symbol is also seen in the emblem itself. TOYOTA. That is Toyota. Amazon is a company owned by Jeff Bezos, which is also signifies this emblem has got a symbol of a smiling person, and also Amazon also signifies where the yellow color A and Z, which says A to Z, which means even everything from A to Z will be got in Amazon itself. So that is what Amazon signifies. A to Z items will be got from Amazon. That is what Amazon emblem says. Now about Apple, the bite of the apple, which shows us that it is the it is the apple bite which we got. That is from the old Adam story, where the apple which Adam ate and he threw away. That's the real meaning is not related to anything of that. It means BYTE, that is the smallest kind of byte available in the computers. That is the smallest memory byte which is available. That is what it signifies, BYTE, and that is how the emblem came out. So this is what the apple byte says all about. It is not the other kind. And when we go to move to the next one, that is Hyundai. Hyundai comes up with the name H, the symbol of H, but it is actually specifying this H is made of two people greeting each other. That is the customer and the representative of the company who is meeting each other. That is how this must be changed. This was actually having that kind of emblem in the older Hyundai symbol, but this then came out of modified and now changed in the letter of H. Actually, this is what it represents: the customer and the as you can see in the image, it is the customer and the same representative who are shake-handing them, like wishing each other. That is how it became. Next is the Sony Vaio. It is how it is pronounced, Vaio. Vaio means VA is a kind of analog digital signal. That is the VA in the Samsung. Sony, it shows the Vaio. VA is for analog digital, and I and O, it is not IO, it is 1 and 0, which is the on and off in the like electric measurement, what all we give. That is how it comes, the YO. That is how it is, ones and zeros, on and off. That is how this specifies. So this is how the specification of this comes. So Formula 1, this is the next one, Formula 1. So you can see that between the F in the black and the red color, you can see a 1 which is being specified. The 1, now it will be coming in as that is how they specify the Formula 1. That is this one, it means the Formula 1. That is what it specifies in this. BMW, it is very different from other car logos. Why is it? Because BMW was having, in the earlier times, like in olden days, they were actually producers of aircrafts, and that is how the front turbine engine, where the wings are being, the flaps are being running, so that flaps, when we run, we'll get that kind of that round. And this color which we got, blue and white, it is from Bavaria. B for Bavaria. Before it is being taken up by German, it was before taken up by Bavaria, and that is how the flag of Bavaria has the color of blue and white. That is how BMW got this blue and white kind of touch in their symbol. So that is how BMW, we can specify that blue and white, and also BMW. That is how it came. LG represents a kind of life's good. That is what LG specifies. The symbol in this, it specifies a kind of smiley, which is being later modified, and it is shaped into L and G kind.